For the next row of explorations with my composition, I'm going to be adding images. So if I zoom in here to the next page, it says add full background image, change contrast as needed. But I'm really just going to take one of my existing compositions up here and use that as my starting point. So let's pretend I like this one best. I'm going to, focus on this page, select all my elements, copy, focus on page 5. So I click there and Command Shift V, paste in place. There's my starting point. Now, if you don't have a folder of images, I have just a few images here that are, oh, come on, banana. That I'm ready to use. These were bitmap images and halftone images, and not that one. I'm not going to place that one, but grayscale images. So if you haven't seen the grayscale image demo, if you haven't made grayscale images, make sure you go back and do that. But what full bleed background image means is I'm going to place a photograph that fills top to bottom, left to right, this whole page. So the one I have that does that best is my Davenport bird's eye view. Not that one. Why do I insist on doing it wrong? Davenport bird's eye view TIFF, which is a grayscale. This is just a aerial view of my hometown, so it is related to the things in my composition. Mine accidentally came in on a new layer, so I'm going to start over here and make sure that I am focused on the design layer, and then Davenport bird's eye view TIFF will come here, and then I'm going to object arrange, send to back. What? Huh. Well, it seems to want to come in on a new layer. It doesn't have to. I'm going to move it down to the design layer and delete that layer 1. So if you're getting that error, that's how you do it. Select the image, grab this little square and drag it down to the design layer, and then I delete layer 1. Okay, so arrange, send to back, and where this says change contrast as needed, I mean I can crop the photo, but it's kind of hard to see this black square and the 3 and the 6 because my image is pretty dark here. So I might want to change the fill color for these to white. You get the idea, right? So you can do this with your own image and think about what is going to stay black and what's going to stay white. But we've added a full bleed image and we've got yet another composition really quickly.